Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Yeah. And today, we're here with Digga D and StillBrickin Pump 101. Digga D, big up yourself. StillBrickin, big up yourself. We're gonna jump into the one here and see what I go on when I know. So we're gonna see what I go on. Let's go.
Why for Five Guys? Man, I'm Five Guys.
What is that? Why is it? Why for Five Guys? We don't name Five Guys. You better know that.
Why for Five Guys? Man, I'm Five Guys.
Why?
Come on.
Oh!
One-on-one.
This is like 50 classic. I'm just trying to. This is from Stunt 101. This is from Stunt 101, right? I'm just trying to start. I guarantee I'm gonna get copyright for that one. That song is big. That really is big.
Come on. One-on-one. Yo, it's easier to fuck these women with 4 chains swinging, 3 rings blinging, 2 straps gripping, 1 shot out the Glock, leave your head back spilling. Emerald cut diamonds, say I'm Pyrex living.
What? I like this. I like this.
Yo, it's easier to fuck these women with 4 chains swinging, 3 rings blinging, 2 straps gripping, 1 shot out the Glock, leave your head back spilling. Emerald cut diamonds, say I'm Pyrex living. How can I say this in a friendly way? Before we fuck, babe, I beg you sign this NDA. Take you shopping, what, Louis or the Fendi way? And we can stay on Park Lane, not an MPK. She wanna snap in a lamb, but I ain't moving the whip. Just run downstairs for another cough quick. Mayfair Hotel, I know you're loving this shit. Make sure there's best spit when you're sucking this. As long as I'm living this high life, still roll around in Uptown with my knife. Burger King, cause man don't yam Five Guys. Grandpa, I fill up with some 9.
Yo, the man that's young, rich, and enjoy himself, dog. Like this,
Yo, it's easier to fuck these women with 4 chains swinging, 3 rings blinging, 2 straps gripping, 1 shot out the Glock, leave your head back spilling. Emerald cut diamonds, say I'm Pyrex living. How can I say this in a friendly way? Before we fuck, babe, I beg you sign this NDA. Take you shopping, what, Louis or the Fendi way? And we can stay on Park Lane, not an MPK. She wanna snap in a lamb, but I ain't moving the whip. Just run downstairs for another cough quick. Mayfair Hotel, I know you're loving this shit. Make sure there's best spit when you're sucking this. As long as I'm living this high life, still roll around in Uptown with my knife. Burger King, cause man don't yam Five Guys.
Why?
Grandpa, I fill up with some 9. I'll load at the pump, my guns are stocked up. Got grown them glocked up in a stolen Benz. I'll load at the pump, my ops are sneaky and we can't get you. So we soaked his friends.
Yo, this audio fuck. The man did the rhythm justice, brother. The man did 50 floor justice, brother.
Yo, it's easier to fuck these women with 4 chains swinging, 3 rings blinging, 2 straps gripping, 1 shot out the Glock, leave your head back spilling. Emerald cut diamonds, say I'm Pyrex living. How can I say this in a friendly way? Before we fuck, babe, I beg you sign this NDA. Take you shopping, what, Louis or the Fendi way? And we can stay on Park Lane, not an MPK. She wanna snap in a lamb, but I ain't moving the whip. Just run downstairs for another cough quick. Mayfair Hotel, I know you're loving this shit. Make sure there's best spit when you're sucking this. As long as I'm living this high life, still roll around in Uptown with my knife. Burger King, cause man don't yam Five Guys. Grandpa, I fill up with some 9. I'll load at the pump, my guns are stocked up. Got grown them glocked up in a stolen Benz. I'll load at the pump, my ops are sneaky and we can't get you. So we soaked his friends. I'll load at the pump, my lines stay ringing, my guys stay chinging. What's the problem, fam? I'll load at the pump, every up left bleeding, so they started teaming, cause we smoked their gang.
The man saying load at the pump, every up left bleeding. Yo, yo, I love the chorus, brother.
I'll load at the pump, my ops are sneaky and we can't get you. So we soaked his friends. I'll load at the pump, my lines stay ringing, my guys stay chinging. What's the problem, fam? I'll load at the pump, every up left bleeding, so they started teaming, cause we smoked their gang. I'll load at the pump.
Yo, the creativity where you have to sit down and pre. Oh, that song I make. how that song even come about? I bet you we just sit down and it must have vibe with probably man and brethren them and them about a big hits before them are chill on. I'm just trying to stunt. That classic 50 song that come on and say, yo, this is a rhythm, bro. What do you think, dog? Make something to this? What do you say? Better say make you mash up that rhythm, man. Man, I say, yo, come on, man. Come on, do it, dog. Do it. This is how this song come about. This is how this song come about. If I'm lying, tell me I'm lying. Oh, God, lad. How much time you put it up? 4 times? Pull up it up. Wheel it up.
Yo, it's easier to fuck these women with 4 chains swinging, 3 rings blinging, 2 straps gripping, 1 shot out the Glock, leave your head back spilling. Emerald cut diamonds, say I'm Pyrex living. How can I say this in a friendly way? Before we fuck, babe, I beg you sign this NDA. Take you shopping, what, Louis or the Fendi way? And we can stay on Park Lane, not on MPA. She wanna snap in a lamb, but I ain't moving the whip. Just run downstairs for another cough quick. Mayfair Hotel, I know you're loving this shit. Make sure there's best spit when you're sucking this. As long as I'm living this high life, still roll around on Uptown with my knife. Burger King, cause man don't yam 5 guys. Grandpa, I fill up with some 9. I'll load up the pump, my guns are stocked up. Got grown them glocked up in a stolen Benz. I'll load up the pump, my ops are sneaky and we can't get so we soaked his friends. I'll load up the pump, my lines stay ringing, my guys stay chinging. What's the problem, fam? I'll load up the pump, every op left bleeding, so they started teaming, cause we smoked their gang. I'll load up the pump. Pesky told me wake up to reality, can't lie, I was sitting there mad at him. Just imagine me.
Hear the accent, man. Hear the fucking accent. Yo, we love accent, brother. Yo, let's go again.
Every up left bleeding, so they started teaming.
StillBrickin, let's go, bro.
Gang. I'll load up the pump. Pesky told me wake up to reality, can't lie, I was sitting there mad at him. Just imagine me 44's got these pussy hoes panicking, making youths bank food, now they're trafficking. I know it's embarrassing trying to get. I
thought that was unknown in this video.
Got these pussy hoes panicking, making youths bank food, now they're trafficking.
Unknown T, yes, man. I should have known, say unknown T from the first part, man. I said, is unknown T that? No, I can't unknown T. Let me clarify. I know T, make up a 7G. StillBrickin, your flow, bro, your flow.
I'll load up the pump, my lines stay ringing, my guys stay chinging. What's the problem, fam? I'll load up the pump, every up left bleeding, so they started teaming.
Yeah, StillBrickin jumping, listen.
Pesky told me wake up to reality, can't lie, I was sitting there mad at him. Just imagine me 44's got these pussy hoes panicking, making youths bank food, now they're trafficking. I know it's embarrassing trying to get shit across the border. Hella youths all taking man's orders. Look, I wear a clock and that life's getting shorter. I could wig a man in front of his daughter.
Well, where far from? Liverpool? Come can't hear the clock. It's from Liverpool. I love the accent. I love Liverpool accent, you know. Me just react to 𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐻 song as well, guys. If you not check out that one there, check it out.
Look, I wear a clock and that life's getting shorter. I could wig a man in front of his daughter. Now you probably surprised. Real shit, I ain't telling no lies. Real killers that I got on me side. Some spillers. JP never left shit slide. To 20 years, gotta do inside. Always down to ride. Little chef, then he died. Get him out the country, wallahi, I tried.
Yo, Digga, that's your fault.
On these streets, man, don't care about size. I caught a boat, though, because of me pride. I'll load up the pump. My guns are stocked up. Got grown them.
Sorry, guys.
I'll load up the pump. Pesky told me wake up to reality, can't lie, I was sitting there mad at him. Just imagine me 44's got these pussy hoes panicking, making youths bank food, now they're trafficking. I know it's embarrassing trying to get shit across the border. Hella youths all taking man's orders. Look, I wear a clock and that life's getting shorter. I could wig a man in front of his daughter. Now you probably surprised. Real shit, I ain't telling no lies. Real killers that I got on me side. Some spillers. JP never left shit slide. To 20 years, gotta do inside. Always down to ride. Little chef, then he died. Get him out the country, wallahi, I tried. Wallahi. On these streets, man, don't care about size. I caught a boat, though, because of me pride. I'll load up the pump. My guns are stocked up. Got grown them glocked up in a stolen Benz. I'll load up the pump. My ops are sneaky and we can't get so we soaked his friends. I'll load up the pump. My guys stay ringing, my guys stay chinging. What's the problem, fam? I'll load up the pump. Every up left bleeding, so they started teaming, cause we smoked their gang. I'll load up the pump.
Drunk as a what? All them shit the boss I get them, you know. Yo! Yeah. This bad. This bad. This bad. But like how Digga D in this video, we don't like to get a little, if I ever a 8 bar from Digga still. Cause we know Digga that rhythm is too. You see me? Yo, this bad guys. Sorry to keep pulling it back so much time, but we have to pull up it up. Pull up it up. Yo, I like this. I love that song, yeah, dog. I love that song, yeah. I'm gonna add it to my playlist, I think. Guys, if you wanna enjoy that one as much as I did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. You know the score. See me? Big up yourself. StillBrickin, big up yourself. Pump 101 was a shot. Unknown team. I see you, my G. Big up yourself. Digga, but the alarm shake thing we do, my G. Love it. Love the alarm shake thing. If you're not gonna do it properly and broke up yourself, love it, my G. Big up yourself. Hey! Guys, we're outside. Now the girl them outside. You hear that? Peace.